I started off Forex about a few months back. Trades were not going so well, so that account got blown off again. So I decided to just take out time to. So I didn't know what to do, because at this point I had already given up hopes on this Forex market. Then I remembered this Sadly, because I watched his videos, and I think I came across this website about 7 months back, and I remember I watched some of his videos where he was talking about free training and how we would benefit. I decided to give it a try, and it's been amazing. And the first time I did my first chart analysis, I was like, wow, so I can really do this. Then when I started placing my Fibonacci retracements and setting up my stop losses and all of that, drawing my trend lines, I was like, wow, so I can, because I never thought I could do all of that. One thing I really liked about his classes, that's the lessons. It's online video lessons. It takes out time to analyze. It takes out time to properly analyze every detail you need to know, both the Fibonacci retracements, monthly and weekly support and resistance lines. It takes out the time to analyze every single step. You teach you how to draw your trend lines, how to draw your channels, how to use them to make trades, how to set your stop loss, how to take your profits. Everything in it is in this free training. Like, I was amazed. You even get the chance of joining a private group, and in this private group you're allowed to post your charts, and experienced traders, even himself, to tell you where you're going wrong, and the things you did right and the things you did wrong. So I just want to appreciate him. Like, I've not seen anyone else that would give this much value. Like, he gives all this for free. Oh, like, I just want to appreciate you, Said Ali, and God will continue blessing you for this thing you're doing on the lives of people, this impact you're making on the life of people. Thank you very much.